We will guide you through how to mark message as unread in Slack. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop and use the taskbar search feature to locate Google Chrome. Open the Google Chrome application and wait for it to finish loading. Enter Slack and press Enter to search for the website. Click the official Slack website. Ensure you have already logged into your Slack account so you can access your conversations and workspace features without interruption. After signing in, tap your recent workspaces to open the workspace where the message is located. If you do not have a Slack desktop application installed, select the option labeled Use Slack in your browser to continue using the web version instead. Once your workspace opens, hover your cursor over the left sidebar and browse through the available channels. Choose the channel containing the message you want to mark as unread so the conversation appears in the main chat area. Next, hover your cursor over the specific message that you want to mark as unread. When a message options become visible, click More Actions to open additional control for that message. A pop-up menu will appear on your screen, displaying several available actions that you can perform. From a list, choose Mark Unread to change the message status. After selecting this option, Slack will immediately update the conversation. A new label will appear directly above the message you marked, making it easy to identify where the unread section begins. At the same time, the channel name in the left sidebar will become bold, indicating that the conversation now contains an unread message. This visual indicator helps remind you to return to the message later.